Congratulations on your purchase of the AR Blue Clean XP3 2400 electric pressure washer. The XP3 2400 delivers up to 2400 max PSI and 1.16 GPM, powered by a 14-amp induction motor. You'll also appreciate the rugged metal cart-style design, foam handle, and it has convenient accessory storage on board. Let's get your power washer assembled. To install the wheels, slide the axle pin through the wheel. Then, place a washer on both sides of the axle pin fitting on the pressure washer. Secure by placing the cotter pin through the axle pin. To install the cart handle, align it, slide it down while pressing the button springs, and let it snap into place. Next, install the hose hook to the cart handle with a larger screw on the top, smaller screw on the bottom. Attach the lance to the trigger gun by hand turning. Place the gun in the holster for storage. Place the turbo nozzle into the turbo nozzle holster for storage. Push the 25-ounce Quick Connect foam cannon into its storage area clamp, located on the back of the hose hook. Wrap the 35-foot inline GFCI power cord around the built-in quick-release storage hooks. The power washer comes with 15-degree, 25-degree, and 40-degree Quick Connect nozzles. Connect them by sliding back the lance collar and pressing the nozzle into place. Connect the 25-foot braided hose to the outlet of the pressure washer. Next, attach the 25-foot braided hose to the inlet of the trigger gun. That's it. For over 60 years, AR has manufactured quality high-pressure pumps, adapting from our industrial sector experience in design and production technologies to ensure the performance, safety, and quality of our electric pressure washers.